Okay, so I'm gonna share the another project I'm doing. So this is called Coma,
Mm.
and it's based on the noise that is made from machines. It's called
Ah.
brown noise. So I can just play it for you.
Mm. Ah.
Yeah,
And you
so
have and you put this on YouTube
this is on
or
Vimeo,
SoundCloud.
and this
Okay.
is also on SoundCloud.
Um,
So, but I can send you the link. Is a kind of description around it,
okay, yeah, yeah.
and
I'm gonna try this tonight.
including this with the
Yeah,
headphones.
yeah.
So, and if you want to try it, you are welcome. Uh,
Mm.
so I will show you. Then I'll just go in here. Then I would like to send mic. So I'll show you. I send. This is one person that
Mm-hmm.
I hope this email finds you well. I want to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude for your participation in the recent research project. Your contributions were invaluable and helped to provide a deeper understanding on the effects of listening to the coma sound journey. Okay,
Mm.
and then I have written a report,
Mm.
which is basically, yeah, the purpose is to study the impact of listening to the sound
Yeah.
and how it involved for him.
Mm.
The impact was on self practices and work changes, and maybe that could be something for you to do also. This the it's his listening for several weeks.
Okay.
So
Ah.
the finding was that had positive impact on self practices, the increased focus, self care, and ability to incorporate work changes with ease. He also reported improvement in oral health and a reduction in cough and sinus congestion. Furthermore, he was calm, relaxed, clear, happy, and peaceful for many consecutive days.
Mm.
So it was interesting. You can see, and the report is kind of pointing out different categories. That was, yeah,
Mm.
another thing. He that was the gong bath experience he had here.
Okay.
But this is the like interesting, like positive thinking keeps mind quiet, helps eliminating negative thoughts. Morning listening seems to have more impact than afternoon.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So then, if you're gonna go through it, I will write a report for you also,
Mm.
and
Yeah, it's interesting.
um, there will be then. I'll go in here. I will make. Um, yeah, so it will be, I can just open this up as another client. So I'll send you a document like this.
Mm-hmm.
Then you will write in
Mm.
the experience you can have.
Okay, yeah.
Then if you would like to do it, that would
Mm.
be very good.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I love that. I mean, in the evenings, I have the same ritual every night,
Mm-hmm.
with lying on my Shakti mat and listening to really calming music, and like just,
Yeah.
oh my God, it's so good.
So the next
Um,
step after the report,
mm,
this can also be a part of your service.
mm,
You could give that as an aid, and you will follow them up, but
mm,
they will pay for it. They will pay certain amount of money to listen and
mm-hmm,
to get the report.
mm,
So you are following up the clients. So
yeah.
it's a really interesting journey with sound, and it's so
Ah,
many applications with sound that I think what we are looking at is uh, kind of taking the essence of sound
mm,
into our lives as it should be.
mm,
Like 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 in the Sufi world, that they had what they call Sama, which is
mm,
a celebration of music and dance and sound together. They're listening deeply, so there are reports of entering trance states and fainting and getting drunk by the sound of the divine. And I think what we are kind of not reinventing but kind of rediscovering within ourselves is that
mm,
mystical part of
yeah.
sound.
Yeah. Amazing.